Hey guys, Prof here again. Just wanted to show you that if you take a look at that, my array is back up and running. So, woohoo! And then as you can see, if we close that up, right there, nothing lost, everything's good. We're gonna take a trek upstairs real quick, and I will unbox the new drive that just came in. Alright, so down here we got Newegg box. They have for a while now actually shipped their hard drives in boxes rather than loosely maybe wrapped in bubble wrap like they used to. And here is the new drive I had to order. Right there. Got another archive drive. It's an archive V2. If you're wondering why I had to order one, if we go over to the failed drive, which I will have to recycle now, if we look at the date is 2015 3/21, and I looked at the date that I purchased it. It's actually after or before this. So if I give me 1 second here. Do 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 boo boo doo boo 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 doo doo do 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 do. Bow 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 bow. All right, we got server supply. That's where I had to order them from because they were in such high demand. They were $1,445 back in the day for 5. What is that? 1445 divided by 5. $289. I think that was a bit high on the price because they're in such high demand. But now I picked up this 8 terabyte for $200 for the V2. I think they were supposed to be $250 if I recall, but every data center under the sun wanted them. So like even being able to buy them with a guaranteed ship date was worth it for, because even at the time, even now, I mean 8 terabyte archive drives are still your best bang the buck. Yeah, it shipped beginning of March. So, yeah. Yep, that is outside of warranty because archive drives have 3 years. So that is why we got this new puppy right here. I am going to go pop it into dry bones downstairs and give it a full format. And yes, I mean full format, not a quick format. And run some diagnostics on it. Make sure it's good. If it turns out good, it gets put right back in its anti-static bag and popped up on the shelf, ready and waiting for when I need it for the server. It might come out when I need to back up Chibi PC there to Anthrax 9, which I mean will eventually be here because it's my main desk. But for now, I will raise that table up over there and pop it underneath. As you can see, though, I need to do a bit of cleanup. So hopefully you enjoyed this little video here about drive failure in my server. Thought I would shoot it real quick since, I mean, I'd deal with it. And As always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, you can find the channel at the-tech-exchange.com. I am TheProfosist, at TheProfosist on Twitter, Instagram, and all those places. And the website is Tech Exchange on all the social medias. We'll see you in the next one.